Guys, today I'm joined by Karis W. So we are still waiting for this game. We did try it, but we all died, and I was too busy trying to put the recording back on. So yeah, now we're waiting. Okay, here you go, guys. Oh my God, it started. It started without us. You will join next round. The next round. The next round. I'm just gonna run by.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
I didn't know that.
I'm just gonna write a little message so they don't know what I'm saying.
Do you know what you're saying?
There you go. There is it.
Guys, can you get in the bloody lobby, please? Yeah, there you go. Guys, it's dance.
Dance, 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 dance. I'm singing the music.
Oh, look at my dancing skills.
Oh my God, yes, girl, yes, you go. Yes. Yeah, we have actually finally joined in. 1 second. Oh God, it's going without me. This is not fair. It went without me. That's not fair. No. No, I ain't yet. Oh no. Oh my God, I'm about to die. This rescue. Water trying to kill me right now. And I just, why? Why? No, 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 no. No, I'm stuck. I'm gonna die. Let go. Oh my God.
I haven't been on this map.
Yeah, you have, liar.
I lied, but
Oh no, no. This shows how bad I'm at parkour.
Yeah, really bad.
Yeah, I just made it mind. I'm gonna annoy everyone. Wait. Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, I'm in the lobby, guys.
Okay, get in the thing now. Now. Can I get Hoya? Yeah. Where do we go? No, we're asleep. We go down here, don't we? Where do we go? I don't even know where we go.
I don't know where we go.
Where did we go?
I don't know.
Oh, we go up the ladder, guys. Don't worry.
Oh.
I don't think I played this one before.
I don't like this map. It's crap.
Oh wow, thanks.
Oh, that's offensive to this map.
Yes.
Well, it's a crap map.
Wow.
Not my fault.
Or if I send this to the person who made this map, huh? They would be offended.
Just murdered me.
Who just someone opened this big vent, whatever you call it.
I died because I was laughing.
That's your fault for laughing.
I had karma.
I'm just gonna pause this video because, yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. Right, we're back, guys. We just let people do it because they
Why
can
am I waiting?
open sesame. I'm waiting for the door to open. Hey, look at my magic. Oh, I nearly fell. I just saw the guy fell. You died already. Ready. Blech.
I got pushed.
Yeah, pushed. Did you really? Or you were lying?
Yeah, I fell. I was trying to put my volume up as well at the same time. So it's kind of my fault as well.
Yeah, it's kind of your fault as well.
It was basically my fault. Why can't I?
No, I just died. I pressed space, but it didn't work. No. That's not fair. We have to spectate banana girl. Banana girl. We're spectating you. What are you doing? I ain't gonna do anything. No. I'm gonna wait by the gate.
I'm gonna wait by the gate because I'm a lazy.
I can't be spamming my spacebar anymore. No, I'm not spamming my spacebar anymore. Everybody else can do it, but not me.
Get out of my face! You meant to go get a button. Okay? No, go away. Yeah, you go get that button because I'm not getting it.
Oh my god, you're about to jump on you.
Be Mirko. She's getting it for me. So
And you didn't even do none of it. Rishley, none of it. You've done none.
I was going to go and get one of them, but then she got it for me because she's it.
Yeah.
I was going to get it though.
Was you really?
I hate this one.
Oh, it's alright, I guess. Apart from the time that I like fall and die, you know? I'm just gonna click on one of these now. Someone didn't press the button, and we was all waiting, and guess what? Alright, they
were too lazy to get it!
And we were too lazy to get it. And they kept dying. Right.
It happened at both ends of the stick. I still haven't got any yet. Buttons.
No.
I'm just such a princess, okay? Don't judge me, kids. Don't judge me. I'm lazy. I'm not like this.
Why does that so sound like me?
I kinda am you. Oh my god!
Did you fall?
Yeah.
See the people are getting mad at you.
Oh no!
Yes.
I can't even see.
Have you died yet? You died.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the people don't want you. If you say this is crap, they don't want you.
Don't judge me because you ain't me.
You wanna fight? Huh? You wanna fight?
No.
Okay, good.
Go away.
You go away.
This lady's following me.
Who? I have proof on this video. Oh my god, it's the same one again. Someone better do it this time. I'm watching. Go.
You better go.
She died. That one, right, get by the gate. He's about to press it.
That girl's better than us. She can get it for us.
No, the girl died. Scratchina died.
No. They don't got it.
It opened. They did.
Oh, hallelujah!
Right, I hate this part, so I'm just gonna wait for the thing. Because I always die. When I try to help, I die. So there's no point in me helping. Rest of you can do it. I was here first. No
Why
take.
do I keep sounding like I'm saying Chloe?
I don't know. Who's Chloe? Right, that guy. We're all gonna die because that guy is too lazy.
He pushed me.
I'm getting to the top because I am the. No. See, every time it's the same one. Every time.
Get him out.
Once again, I haven't played this map, the castle tiles. I don't know if I actually did or not, but it doesn't take me. It hates me so much it doesn't take me. You're all waiting by the gate. That boy can do it. I ain't doing it.
I gotta go.
No.
Gotta go. Bye.
Bye. I don't think they can hear you. Can I get a Hoya? That face. Alana said bye. This is sad. She left. Guys, I think she left. And it went without me again. Paris, speak if you're there. Paris. Speak if you're there. Gareth. Got the spectator again. Just to see what's happening. Same map. Karis. You're gonna die. Oh. You gotta... Karis. I don't think she can hear me. I'm speaking to myself. Now she... I accidentally paused it, but she got stuck in the game. Oh no, no, no. Oh my god, where we going? Where we go? Oh, what's that? I hate this one. I'm not gonna lie, I really hate this one. So I know I'm gonna fall any second. Like I nearly fell there. Now we wait. Oh my god. Hashtag the other reason why I hate this. It's taking all my time. Why do I sound so lonely? I think we have to go back. I can't go down. Shift. Shift. Shift is the special word. No, 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 no. I'm stuck. No, I made it. No, you guys saw that. I made it. That's not fair. That's not fair. And it just sticks. Yeah. This is sad. I have nothing to say. Can't buy anything yet. No. We'll just have to carousel doing this again. This is a new one. I don't think she can hear me on the thing. I think it's cracked up. Karis! Oh. He just ended straight away. That's new. I think Karis is about to die. Karis! I found Karis back. And yep, we are playing one more time before I end the video. Let me just turn this down a bit. And don't press the button. Press. I can tell that's definitely too loud. That guy better do it now. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm going to cry. Should I try doing it? Should I risk my life? Yeah, risk your life, Disco Duck. We're gonna die first. Just do it. He's not doing it. I'm gonna kill him now. Right, Karis, you're about to die. And I died. Oh, that's great. We have to go now. We will probably do a video tomorrow, but if anybody's watching, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.